what you doing? Hey. Hey. Daisy. Hey. 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 Khaleesi? Hi. I was just chilling. Just chilling under. You're not supposed to be on my chair. Hi. You're supposed to lay on the blanket on the chair. That's what cats need to do. Yeah. Why do you like my finger? Hey, again. It's so chill. Outside is so... Hey, neighbors. Hey, neighbors. Hi. You're on my little sister's bed now. Yeah. Oh my god, your tongue's out. Your tongue. Why is your tongue out? Little tongue. Stop moving. Don't lick me. Oh, did you make your tongue go away? Aww. Well, at least I got it. You're so cute. Of course I am. Oh, I want to pet you forever. Well, I do. Why are you like almost the cutest? Because I'm the tiniest. Tiniest is the cutest. Hey, how did the drawers get like that? Not us. Hey, Khaleesi! Hey! You guys? Nice now? All you care about is it's like laying down. Ugh, never mind. Pick up Katie's pretend food. It's not pretend food. It's hey. I can't even see you. Stop it. Time to climb my ladder. Who's that? Blending in with the animals. And it's a lion. Dun dun dun. Hi, lion. He's like, oh my god, why do you do that? Ah! Crazy kitty. You love my iPad, right? Oh my god, you look like Tyrion. Gave him away so James could take care of him. And Ducky Momo, Ducky Momo. I forgot how it was like. Ducky Momo, Ducky Momo. I forgot. Some Phineas and Ferb. Quack. Quack. Ah. Ah. Quack, quack. that's what I'm quack. Quack. These are my stuffed animals, not yours. I don't have a stuffed animal. Don't punch me. Ah, don't get me. Oh, is your paw stuck? Dude. Okay, your paw got stuck in him. Oh, I know. Got some little eye gooeys. Gooeys. I don't know what those are. Wait, is that a thing? I forgot. Yeah. Okay. I had enough with you. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Climb down. Ouch. Hi, Daisy. Oh, you laying down? You must eat my leg. Tastes like meat because you are meat. Khleesi, all you are split up. You want to end the video? Hey, you want to end the video?